Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Ho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment down below. And if you're returning, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for returning. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much to those who watched till the end. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you keep on coming back but you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. However, it will mean such a lot to me because I have a goal to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and only you guys can help me reach that goal. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, do like, do comment. So in today's video, I am going to be folding some laundry. I have this huge pile of laundry in the guest bedroom that I moved into the main bedroom because I was washing our bed linen, and so I thought, okay, this is enough space. The bed is big enough for me to fold some clothes because I already have like a lot of clothes in the guest bedroom. So let me just bring them, batch by batch or bit by bit, and just fold them and put them into the wardrobes. So lots of laundry folding motivation. If you have a lot of laundry to fold or just some laundry to fold, I hope you join me. Let's fold this laundry together. And if you haven't already, I hope it helps you or gives you the motivation you need to fold your laundry as well.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing top. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So when it comes to laundry, and I think I've spoken about it before, I don't mind washing the laundry. Like, I don't mind at all because I just divide it into different piles according to the different colors and different materials. Pop it into the washing machine, and the machine will do its thing, and it will just ring once it's done. It will just give a little beep. It will give a little beep, and I'll take the laundry out and hang it. Now, the issue comes when I have to fold the laundry, and this is why I end up having huge piles of laundry on the guest bedroom bed, because I just take it from outside once it's nice and dry, bring it into the house, and I just throw it on top of the bed. And I keep on saying, I'll fold it, I'll fold it. Sometimes I will fold the first, on the first laundry day after that, like if the guest bedroom is nice and clean, and I say to myself, as soon as Yenzi washing, I'm gonna fold this laundry and put it away, because I want to maintain just the guest bedroom being nice and clean and organized. So on the following laundry day, of course I'm gonna do that. I'm still motivated, and then on the second and third and fourth, that's when the problem starts. That's when I start slacking, and I'm like, okay, I'm a bit tired, or I'm busy with something else. I'll fold this laundry tomorrow. And then I forget about it, or I get preoccupied with other stuff. And next thing you know, it's the next laundry day, and I pretty much do the same thing. I'm like, I'm gonna fold this laundry, I'm gonna fold this laundry. And next thing, it's maybe 5 or 6 or even 10 laundry days later, there's a huge pile of laundry on the bed, and I don't even know where to start. Like today, I just had such a lot of laundry to fold. And another thing is, I hate ironing. So I don't see the need to like, my mom will do the laundry. Like, she'll wash the laundry, and then the next day she is ironing like 20 pair of pants and 20 shirts. And because she does the laundry for everyone at home, she does the laundry for herself, my dad, and my two siblings, like my two brothers. And she doesn't mind. Like, she will be ironing the whole day. And I am the complete opposite of her, because I hate ironing. I honestly hate ironing. And most of my clothes are like wash and wear. Like, it's the type of material you don't need to iron. But I do have a few clothes that need for you to iron. And like my t-shirts and some dresses. And I will only iron it when I have to wear it, you know? So I think that's another reason why it ends up being a huge pile that side. Whereas my husband, on the other hand, is like a master of ironing. Like, he knows how to iron. He knows how to iron different materials. And I'm like, dude, ufunde book ironer, like, what? And I know some people are going to be like, huh? But most of the time, my husband is the one that irons our clothes. I kid you not. Like, and I know, okay, this is probably going to be off topic and stuff, but we really believe in um, marriage that is not a competition. It's not a competition. And also, where your partner lacks, if you can cover them up, like, okay, I don't know ngibeke kanjani, but almost like fill that space. Like, for example, I can't iron. Like, besides hating ironing, I do not know how to iron. My mom taught me for so many years, but it's just one of those things that I just can't do. Like, I fail dismally at ironing. But my husband knows how to iron, on the other hand, and he does it with, I didn't even ask him. I just told him, you know what, dude, I don't know how to iron. Like I can't. And I think he probably saw from the clothes that I wore sometimes good long ataka ainanga kahle. Probably aga ainang. And I remember when we got married, I didn't even ask him to iron. He just started ironing, and I feel so blessed that I am married to a partner who understands that, you need to cover your partner where they lack. If you know how to do something, cover them. It's marriage, like I said, is not a competition. We are not competing against each other, but we need to complement each other and cover each other where we lack, where the other one can do exceptionally well in that area. And I'm so glad that we also live in an era where, okay, there are still people who think like that, but for the most part, we live in an area, not area, man, what am I saying? An era where the whole thing of no lo umsebenzi wamadoda, no lo umsebenzi wabafazi, it's not really a thing anymore. And I know some people are like, but at the end of the day, I guess you and your partner need to do whatever works for you, and it works perfectly for us. And I am so grateful. I feel blessed for having that partner, because there are many other things that I can't do, that things that would be considered izinto ekumele zenziwe abantu besifazane, if you know what I mean, that he covers me. Sometimes I feel tired and I don't feel like cleaning. My husband will clean, he will vacuum, he will mop, he will wash the dishes. It's something that you guys won't see, but he does all of that. He does that for me. When I'm sick, he will clean and whatever, unless I'm like, no, don't do it, I'll do it once I'm well. But he doesn't mind doing all that, and I feel so blessed to have a husband who does that for me. Hey guys, so finally I am done. I was able to fold all of the laundry, pack it into the wardrobes, and hang all of the jackets that were just sitting on top of the bed in the guest bedroom. So now I'm just waiting for my bedding and basically the sheets and the duvet cover to get dry. I am done folding all of that laundry. It was a lot. I know it's gonna be sped up, but it was a lot of laundry and I was just taking my own sweet time. I was watching vlogs on my iPad, and in between I'd be watching the vlog and then I forget that I'm actually folding the laundry, and then the thought comes back to my mind again and I continue folding the laundry. So it took me quite a while, but I hope it gave you the motivation to get your laundry done. Maybe it wasn't folding but actually washing it. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like. Don't forget to comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. I do have a goal of reaching 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and with your help I'll be able to do that. It is absolutely free, but it will help my channel a lot. So yeah guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Have a fantastic week. Bye.